So I have been wearing this beautiful unit in my last few videos, and a lot of you ladies have been interested. Y'all have been asking me to do a review on this, to give you the tea on it. So today's video is going to be all about that. I'm going to be installing and reviewing this hair for you all, and the best part is I have a discount code to help you purchase. So please stay tuned. Alright family, so today's video is sponsored by Gorgius Hair. This is the company. Now, I haven't done a wig review in a while, and this one is super simple, super easy. There's not going to be a lot of plugging and dyeing and washing and doing all of that. This is going to be a super easy, basically put on, jute a little bit and go. And that is one of the reasons I picked this unit, because you guys, if you're going to school, work, or just staying at home or going on a quick date and you don't have time to, do the whole 9 yards when it comes to, laying your edges and the ball cap method and whatever else that comes with lace fronts, and especially if you don't know how to do it, this, my friend, is going to solve that problem. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. All right, this is my hair in here. I do have a few little stuff in here. There's a little baggie in here with some goodies in it, and there is a cap, stocking cap. Let's go ahead and open up the hair. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. Here we go. All right, so this is what the hair looks like. I know it looks crazy, but just give me a minute. We're gonna figure this out. This is a like a bang, kind of like what I've been wearing, the natural hair look that I've been wearing over and over and over. This is kind of like that, and like I said, it's very low maintenance. It's literally a put on and go. But these are lighter or looser curls, okay? So if you wanted to go with like a looser curl and you didn't want to do the actual natural hair look, this is what this wig is. It feels very, very soft, very soft. The bang is already cut for you, so you don't have to do the leg work, okay? So let me show you some stuff in here. It has an elastic band to help you secure your wig down. It also has this comb in the back to further secure it. And it also has 2 combs on the side, right there. And this part right here looks like a lace. It has a little lace there, but it's not your regular lace. It's just, like I said, this is a bang wig. So you're not gonna be parting it in the middle or doing anything fancy. You're just gonna fluff it up in front of your face, and that's it. So I have a pair of scissors. I have a little bit of water with leave-in conditioner. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my stocking cap on, put the wig on, and then we're gonna style it. All right, family, so this is the stocking cap. As you can see, it doesn't really match my skin tone at all, like not even close, but that's okay, because again, this wig is gonna cover everything and nothing's gonna be showing, so it doesn't really matter. But if you're more comfortable doing something your skin tone, I would go with that as well. All right, so here is our wig. As I said, it has the elastic band right there. I'm gonna grab that, bend my head down. I usually like to grab the elastic band, bend my head down, put the elastic band on like this. Make sure it's nice and fitted around the perimeter of the back of my head. And then I like to pull the back of the wig back like that, right? Pull it back like that. Then I take the comb and then put it underneath the band for extra security. And then this is the front. It looks crazy. Then I go ahead and fix the front of the hair. It's already nice and fitted, so I'm just gonna go ahead and fix it. And then I'm gonna grab the side combs that I showed you and make sure it's nice and secured on both sides. Right there and right here. All right, family, right off the bat, this is what it looks like. I look like I have Jerry curl on. This looks like one of those bad wigs from the past, but that's because I haven't done anything to it. I do like how soft, super soft it is. I do like how it fits my head. Fits my head very nicely. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my scissors and I'm gonna shape this around my face so it matches, matches my face. Okay, family, so I have a mirror here. I have my spray bottle with a little bit of leave-in conditioner. I have a pair of scissors. I'm just gonna go ahead and try to frame this hair around my face. So I'm just grabbing basically strand by strand. You don't wanna grab a whole section and do it because you're gonna end up with a blunt cut. So I'm just gonna grab it strand by strand and just tease it as I cut it to get that desired look that I want. The hair is really soft, y'all. This is my first time working with this company. This is also my first time trying this style, so I don't know longevity wise how it's gonna be, but right off the bat, I honestly love it. And it's lightweight, which is a good thing. It's very lightweight, doesn't feel wiggy as far as the heaviness. So yeah, I'm just cutting to shape. So I'm gonna take my spray bottle with a little bit of water and leave-in conditioner, like I said, and just spray it down a little bit. You don't really need this. I feel like if you want the wet look, it's necessary, but I just want to make sure I'm cutting the right amount and shaping it in the right way. All right, so that's enough. I'm gonna go ahead and use my hands to juice it and then cut anything else that I need to. I really like this, y'all. I've been into these like simple wigs lately. You guys saw me wear the natural, the natural hair wig for a very long time. That's because it was so easy to deal with, so easy to put on, and I could just literally put it on and go and not have to worry about doing the most. And that's what I've been into. I have a lot going on and I just don't have the time to sit and do my hair here recently. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up getting dressed. I'm gonna, come back and show you the final result. All right, family, so this is it. This is the finished product. Let me turn around so you can see. I personally love it, y'all. Like I said, it's an easy install. It's lightweight. It's not super long. It's not super heavy, especially for summertime. And you don't have to do a lot of the application as far as when it comes to wigs. All you literally have to do, especially after the first time of, styling it and shaping it to your face or to your preference, all you have to do after that is literally grab your wig and put it on, and you get this beautiful result. So that is it for today's hair install. If you guys like this unit and want to try it out, I have a discount code for you down in the descriptions below, and I also have their website and all the information you need to know about the hair. So please go ahead and check the description box to get everything you need, plus your discount code, and tell them Mercy sent you. Thank you all again so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!